Hello dear friends, my name is Wakil Kumar, Program Assistant Computer Application from capital Longland, Meghalaya. So the basic requirements in poultry housing is such as location of poultry house, relation to other building, and the exposure of the poultry house should face southeast. Soil and drainage. Poultry house should be placed on a sloping hillside rather than a hilltop or in the bottom of valley. Shade and protection such as dogs, snake and rodent, etc. Poultry housing to be adopted to fencing, the free-range intensive system, and the cage rearing. Basic housing requirements needs floor space, ventilation, temperature, dryness, light, sanitation, and the requirements of filtering with the natural filtering and the artificial filtering, and the essential of good housing with the comfort protection, efficient protection, convenience of the poultryman. So it will be my pleasure that I will come you all to know more about this poultry farming. Kindly visit Longland or contact through phone. Thank you.